Gikundi kia abasae kurase kaunti ya Kisii abasae bake bakoragwa na Ogoro Martin nigo bono besokirie na koro kia uwanchani bwabo anena sogotarira bana chintakana bali bamenyete ase children's homes botara ime yomochi Nyakoe Safehouse nabo igo ase children's home ya Kiogoro nigo batebire ngane njira yamo yoko banyora abamwabo anechinga kechiga chemega yesu kwaso kubaro ky'ubwanchani asababairira ebyagwa ao bune njira yamo yokomenta ogosirokia ase chinkoro chiabo.
Name is Ted Ogoro Marita. I'm actually the incoming youth president of Kisii County. We have been to Kiogoro Children's Home of Grace Children's Home, and now we are at Nyakoe Harambee Safehouse, also a children's home. We have come to give back to the community because actually we think that is the best thing that you can do as people, so that we actually make others feel inclusive. And the reason as to why actually I decided that let me be here today is because we must incorporate everybody in our society.
My name is Hendrik from Kisii. Harambee for Kenya. Nyakoe Safehouse is where I grew up here. Right now, I'm the acting person who is in charge here. There's no director, so I was left behind to look after this one who are here. I want to thank the visitor we have received. You can see they are here. We thank them for coming to check up on us. They brought some gift for us to celebrate this Christmas, and we are happy.
Appeal to all the citizens out there to make it a habit to come and support the children, because they are part of our society and they are part of us.
And to show that these kids, that they matter to us and we care for them. This is not just a visit, it's not just a one-time thing. And we would like to encourage the leaders out there, other people, the citizens and other sponsors at large, to be coming in order to support these young ones, so that they can feel loved and they can feel that during this festive season they deserve to be shown love, care and support. Thank you.